Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fat burn without exercise. Let's dive into practical strategies you can implement right away. We'll explore dietary changes that significantly impact your body's ability to burn fat, even without hitting the gym. Understanding your metabolism and making smart food choices are key. We'll also cover simple lifestyle adjustments that contribute to a healthier, leaner you. Get ready to transform your approach to wellness. Focusing on your diet is paramount for fat loss without exercise. Aim for a high protein intake, around 0.7 grams per pound of body weight, to preserve muscle and boost satiety. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and olive oil, are crucial for hormone balance and keeping you full. Minimize refined carbohydrates and sugary drinks, as these contribute to fat storage. Small, consistent dietary changes yield significant results over time. Beyond diet, lifestyle adjustments play a huge role in fat burning. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that regulate appetite and fat storage. Effectively manage stress through practices like meditation or deep breathing, as chronic stress can lead to increased belly fat. Boost your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT, by simply moving more throughout your day, like taking the stairs. For advanced strategies, consider exploring intermittent fasting patterns, which can help regulate insulin and promote fat burning. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can also be beneficial, as it contains compounds that may boost metabolism. Remember, consistency is key for sustainable results. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. These small, consistent efforts will lead to significant progress on your fat loss journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.